Navigating through the internet has become an integral part of our daily lives in this day and age. Many individuals, like students and professionals, rely on getting online to get work done. Luckily, through innovations in technology, many tools have become readily available to us while getting online. Within a few clicks, we have everything we need at our disposal. Even the use of PDF tools. You can instantly access all your PDF tools when you add DeftPDF to your browser. If your browser of choice is Google Chrome, you can install an extension. Here's how. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome browser. Step 2. Open the Chrome Web Store via the browser. Step 3. Search for the app you will use, DeftPDF. Step 4. Click Add to Chrome, and the extension will now be downloaded and installed to your browser. Step 5. Click Add Extension when a pop-up window appears. Step 6. A notification will appear that it has been installed. Sometimes we would want to use our browser under incognito mode. We'd need to change our settings in order to use the DeftPDF extension. Here are 2 ways to do it. Step 1. Open your browser, but make sure that it's the regular Chrome, not incognito. Step 2. Right-click on the icon, DeftPDF, and click Manage Extension. Step 3. Toggle the button on the Allow Incognito. Step 4. Try using the extension on your incognito browser. Or try changing the setting in this version. Step 1. Open your browser and click the 3 dots on the rightmost pane. Step 2. Click Settings and then click Extensions. Step 3. On the window that shows all your extensions, look for your DeftPDF extension, then click Details. Step 4. Toggle the button on the Allow Incognito. Step 5. Try using the extension on your incognito browser. There's no need to worry. The Chrome extension works just like the DeftPDF web-based software. All the tools are already featured and shown on the extension, so you can quickly access what you need and go directly to the tool right away.